Hello, friends. Welcome to this exciting journey of learning English. Today, we'll talk about how speaking English can be easy and enjoyable if you take it step by step. Think of it like learning to walk. As a baby, you took small steps, fell, and got up again until you mastered it. Learning English is the same. Start small and you'll succeed. Why learn English? It's a language that connects the world. Whether you want to travel, make new friends, or grow your career, speaking English opens many doors. And guess what? It can be fun. From chatting with others to enjoying songs and movies, you can learn while having a great time. In this lesson, I'll share simple tips to help you start speaking English confidently. Let's begin this exciting journey together, one step at a time. Tip 1. Start small. The first step to speaking English confidently is to start small. You don't need to use big words or complex sentences right away. Begin with simple everyday phrases like hi, good morning, and thank you. These are easy to remember and help you feel comfortable using English in daily conversations. Another great way to start is by practicing how to introduce yourself. For example, you can say, "My name is Adam. I am from your country or city." This is one of the most common and useful phrases when meeting new people. Take a few minutes each day to repeat these phrases out loud. You can say them to yourself in front of a mirror or practice with a friend. Small, consistent practice will build your confidence and make speaking English feel natural. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. Tip 2. Listen and repeat. A simple and effective way to improve your English speaking is to listen and repeat. Start by watching short, simple videos or listening to English songs. These are fun and help you hear how words are pronounced naturally. When you hear a phrase, pause the video or song and repeat it out loud. For example, if you hear, "It's sunny today," say it yourself, copying the pronunciation and rhythm. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on practicing. This method helps you learn how native speakers form sentences and use intonation. The more you listen and repeat, the more confident you'll feel speaking English. Make it a daily habit, and you'll see great progress in no time. Tip 3. Listen first, then speak before speaking. Take time to listen. Watching simple English videos or listening to songs is a great way to start. Pay attention to how native speakers say words, their tone, and the rhythm of their sentences. When you hear a phrase, try to copy it exactly as they say it. For example, if you hear, "It's a beautiful day," pause and repeat the phrase out loud. Focus on the pronunciation and how the words flow together. This method helps you build your listening and speaking skills at the same time. Listening carefully first allows you to understand the language better, and repeating helps you practice using it. With daily listening and speaking practice, you'll sound more natural and confident in no time. Tip 4. Practice daily. The key to speaking English confidently is daily practice. Try to speak as much as you can, whether it's with friends, family, or even by yourself. A great trick is to stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. This helps you practice speaking while also building confidence. You can also use language apps or join online communities to find speaking partners. Talking to someone who is learning like you can make it less stressful and more fun. For example, ask yourself, "What did I do today?" Then answer, "I went to the market," or "I watched a movie." Simple conversations like this are a great way to improve your fluency. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Speaking English daily will soon feel natural, and you'll notice progress faster than you think. Tip 5. Don't fear mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural and important part of learning English. Don't be afraid to say something wrong. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Remember, even native speakers make errors sometimes. For example, if you say, I go to the park instead of I went to the park, it's completely fine. What matters is that you tried. Over time, you'll learn the correct way to say it. Mistakes show that you're practicing, which is the most important thing. Instead of worrying, laugh at your errors and learn from them. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. So keep trying, keep speaking, and don't let fear stop you. Your effort will lead to success, one step at a time. A simple story. Once there was a boy named Ali. He wanted to speak English, but was always scared of making mistakes. One day while traveling, he met a kind traveler who spoke English. Ali nervously smiled and said, "Hello, my name is Ali." The traveler smiled back and said, "Hello, Ali. Nice to meet you." This simple exchange gave Ali the courage to try more. He started practicing speaking every day with simple sentences like, "I like tea. It's sunny today. And what is your name?" Although he made mistakes, Ali didn't stop. He laughed at himself and kept trying, knowing that practice was the key. Over time, Ali's confidence grew, and his English improved. Today, Ali speaks English fluently and loves helping others learn too. Remember, just like Ali, you can learn English step by step, mistake by mistake. Don't give up. 7. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap the tips we've learned today. First, start small. Use simple words and phrases. Next, listen to native speakers, repeat what you hear, and practice daily. Don't fear mistakes. They're a part of the learning process. Keep going, and soon speaking English will feel natural. Remember, every word you say brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and soon English will feel easy. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this with your friends who are also learning English, and let's continue this journey together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.